This year, we will speak to thousands of people at trade shows and on the phone all over the country. This is number 4 in the series of how to bring your product to market. And we're going to talk about the most common question I receive at a trade show. It is, how much, how long? How much money is it going to take to bring my product to market? And how long will it take? Well, there are many, many different factors, but I want to give you an idea of what we're thinking about as you tell us about your product. In the back of my mind, I'm thinking about the big graph. You see, the big graph contains the total cost of bringing your products to market. If it's 100 parts or 100 million parts, they're all in the big graph. Let me give you an example. Let's say I have $5,000 to spend for 100 parts, and that's all I have to spend. I have no more. With the 3D printed parts, I'm spending almost nothing on the initial tooling, and I'm spending $50 a part. And it will always be $50 throughout eternity. You never see economies of scale. You never see the cost go down. This is a trap. And at the end, I have 100 parts, I've spent $5,000. But let's look at our alternative. Well, with the Super Mold program with Ash Industries, for example, the mold cost is $4,300. And included in the Super Mold is 1,000 parts. 1,000 parts, not 100. So at the end of $5,000, I will have a mold that can continue making parts, and I have 1,000 parts, 10 times more parts than I had over here. But here's the best part. The mold is now paid for. It has a lifetime guarantee, and it will continue making parts forever and ever at a small fraction of the $50 part cost choice that I had over here. The bottom line, graph it out. It was useful in high school to get a good grade. Now it's useful in life to make you money. Thank you for your time. I wish you the greatest of success.